Geda gedi geda oh.
Hello everyone, my name is Miko. Today I am here with my friend Revan. In this video, we are going to talk about the central government's performance in managing the disaster in Sumatra. We will share our opinion and discuss this topic in a simple way.
Hi Miko, sorry for joining the meeting a little late. My internet connection was very slow just now.
Hi Revan, it's okay. Thank you for saying sorry. Internet problems often happen during online meetings.
Yes, especially when the weather is bad. I hope the connection stays stable now.
I hope so too. I agree to starting the discussion now before we lose more time.
Thank you for waiting. I really appreciate it.
So today we are going to discuss the central government's performance in managing the disaster in Sumatra.
Yes, that's right. I think this topic is important to talk about.
I agree. As students, it is so good for us to understand how the government handles the disaster.
I agree with you. Understanding the situation help us to give fair opinions. Before sharing opinions, I think it's better to talk about the situation first.
Yes, I agree. Talking about the situation helps us to avoid judging too fast.
The disaster caused serious damage to houses, roads, and public places.
Yes, and many people lost their homes and daily income.
That's why managing a disaster like this is not easy.
I agree. It needs planning, teamwork, and fast action. In my opinion, the central government did a good job by sending help quickly.
I agree with you. Sending food, medicine, and rescue teams early helped many people.
Yes, I agree. Helping people earlier is important to reduce fear.
I also agree with the government decision to work with local government.
I completely agree. Working together makes disaster handling more effective.
I agree. Cooperation helps everyone do their job better. However, I'm sorry, but I slightly disagree about the evacuation process.
Okay, I understand. Please explain your opinion.
I think evacuating people in some areas took too much time.
I see your point, but I disagree. Evacuating people safely needs time to avoid accidents.
That makes sense. Sorry for not thinking about safety earlier.
It's okay. I appreciate you explaining your view calmly. I'm sorry if my response sounds too strong.
No problem. I agree that different opinions are normal.
Yes, I agree. The goal is to learn, not to argue.
Exactly. I agree with focusing on learning and improvement. One thing I really agree with is the government's effort in rebuilding damaged areas.
I agree. Rebuilding schools and hospitals is important to help people return to normal life.
Yes, children need schools to continue studying.
And sick people need hospitals to get treatment.
I also agree that rebuilding roads help people go back to work.
I agree. Good roads make daily activities easier. I am sorry, but I disagree with how information was shared with the public.
I agree with you. Some information was unclear and confusing.
Yes, unclear information can make people worried.
I agree. Giving clear information helps to keep people calm.
Improving communication is very important in disaster.
I think we can agree that managing a big disaster is very difficult.
I completely agree. No response can be perfect.
Disagreeing with some action does not mean rejecting all efforts.
Yes, I agree. We can appreciate the effort while giving suggestions.
That is a very fair way to see the situation.
To conclude, I agree that the central government showed responsibility in managing the disaster.
Yes, I agree, but there is still room for improving future disaster response.
I am sorry if I misunderstood your opinion earlier.
It's okay. I apologize if my words were unclear.
Thank you for having this discussion with me.
You're welcome. I enjoyed talking about this topic with you.
See you in the next Zoom meeting.
See you. Take care. Dah.